I am Palak with you. Corona's Delta form is very dangerous, who is constantly changing. WHO warns. The WHO has said that no country is yet out of the danger of COVID. The Delta pattern is dangerous and it is changing with the times, which needs to be monitored. United Nations. The world is a very dangerous space of COVID-19 pandemic, whose Delta-like forms are more contagious and are constantly changing over time. This is to say that Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, Director General of the WHO, he warned the world that number of patients in hospitals has started increasing again in countries where less population has been vaccinated. WHO warning on Delta variant of COVID. In a press conference on Friday, he said formats like Delta are more contagious and are spreading rapidly in many countries. At the same time, we are in a very dangerous phase of the epidemic. No country is out of danger yet. The Delta form is dangerous and it is changing over time, which he needs to be monitored continuously. He claimed that the Delta form has been found in the 98 countries and is spreading rapidly in those countries where less vaccination. More vaccinations have taken place. Public health and special measures such as strict surveillance, screening, early detection, isolation and medical care are still important. In all countries, 70% of the population should be vaccinated. The WHO Director General believes that it is necessary to apply masks, follow social distance, avoid crowded places, adequate arrangements to keep the houses ventilated. He urged our world leaders to get 70% of the populations of each country vaccinated against COVID-19 by next year. He advised that stimulants of efforts should be ensured for this. He said that this is the very best way to end the epidemic, save lives, restore global economic and prevent dangerous form from being born. By the end of this September, we are requesting the leaders to vaccinate at least 10% of the people of all countries, found in 100 countries. If you're watching on Facebook, then follow this page. If you're watching on YouTube, then like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.